All right, Trade Confident YouTube guys, I want to show you a tool today we've been using, take it a little bit slower today, that has been predicting Bitcoin's price over 30 days in advance. And actually one of our models, it nailed October's price on about the 28th or 29th, over 200 days into the future. And so I want to show that to you guys today. Quickly, we'll give you an update of the balance. We were at 877. We are currently at $888,000. 650,000 is our principal invested amount. So we are doing quite well here. And tomorrow I'll be coming out with an update for you guys. So the algorithm that I want to show you guys today, and you guys may have never seen this before, you may have seen this before, but we have been able to create an algorithm that has been able to predict Bitcoin's price within a very close 4% deviation, something that I didn't think was actually possible, but we were able to do this over 200 days prior to where price action is. And then on a monthly basis, we actually do this 30 days in the future. We predict where Bitcoin's price is going to be. So November's charts are out for our members. I'll show you guys how to access that at the end. But first, let me show you guys how we were able to predict this. And if you guys like how October looks, you guys can grab a membership and you guys can watch these every single month if you would like. Our traders got very good entries. The 3 best entries you could have received for Bitcoin, you guys were able to see with these charts. And I'll show them to you this morning, okay? So this is the first chart. What we've done is we've taken in this blue line the projected increase or decrease price of Bitcoin for 11 years. And we've done this on every single day in October, and we've projected this into the future. And what you guys see in white here is the actual price of Bitcoin, of how it performed in October. So what you guys can see here is we were wondering, and we were trying to prove the thought, is Bitcoin cyclical? And I've told our members this many times, I believe Bitcoin goes through 4-year cycles, and there's a bear market, there's an accumulation market, there's a bull year 1 and a bull year 2. Okay, we are currently ending the bull year 1. And from our data, we were expecting Bitcoin to do nothing but head in an upwards fashion and follow along this projected price curve that was projected 30 days in advance. And we did a very good job of following that. Now, we took this a little bit further, and I don't want to lose you guys here, but follow me here. If you guys know technical analysis on cryptocurrency, you can take the average of what Bitcoin's done every October for 11 years. However, if you know the halving cycles theory and you know the 4-year cycle theory, then you know that some years are more bullish than others. The year that we are currently in, based off the 4-year cycle theory, and you can see this up here, the 4-year cycle average, we are in the same year as 2016 and the year of 2020. Okay, so what I've done is I've actually taken the average price increase or decrease in 2016 and 20 to match it up with the 4-year cycle charts, and we see that in red. What we did, which was quite fascinating here, is we took the polynomial average between these two, and we expected Bitcoin to follow along, if not always come back to the polynomial average for the month of October. And that's exactly what Bitcoin's price did. We ended up seeing Bitcoin's price come up here, come back down to the polynomial average. Once it got oversold, we ended up seeing it pull right back. Once it got overbought, we saw it pull right back. Oversold, it pulled right back at the end of the month. And so what you guys might be thinking, you can do with this is you can actually take the oversold values in this bull market and you can purchase them. And that's exactly what we show you guys on the 4% deviation chart. There were 3, 4, I think there was probably about 3 good times, but the 3 best times to purchase cryptocurrency in October, we were able to predict for all of our members here, and myself as well. We bought some actually on this dip. What we're looking at here is the average Bitcoin price increase or decrease for the 11 years averaged out with a 4% deviation on the top side and on the bottom as well. Here's how you use this as a signal. If you guys see Bitcoin's price on these updated charts, Monday through Friday, if you guys see it dip below the green line here, that means Bitcoin is outside, not of just a 1-year or a 2-year, it's outside of its 11-year average. This is massive. These equate to buying opportunities. There were only, in my opinion, 3 good buying opportunities. There were the 3 best opportunities in October were over here on October 9th at 60,647. It was over here at 60,260, which was on October 10th. And you can see exactly from the schematic, it was October 25th, 66,638. All of these entries that were taken all ended up in profit by the end of the month. Okay. So what we've done is we have November's chart out to our members. And I'll show you guys how to access that real quick. But this is a chart that I've always wanted because I wanted something that said, okay, take out all biased perspectives on YouTube. Give me strict data and let me understand and let me see charted visually the heartbeat of Bitcoin, of what it likes to do. Because I believe based off these charts, we can say Bitcoin is cyclical. The fact that we were able to predict Bitcoin's price 31 days into the future within a 4% deviation, I think is quite staggering. And if you guys are able to come in here and look at just when Bitcoin drops below the 4% deviation, you're able to get into really good entries. By the way, I did do a Telegram message to our members yesterday to take a look at November's charts. They're live right now. So here's the thing, guys. Feel free to watch as many YouTube videos you want today. If you feel like this is going to help you guys, and we feel like this is a massive advantage for anybody trading cryptocurrency, there's a link in the description. We are tradeconfident.io. Okay, I'm the founder of Trade Confident. We charge a membership fee of $65 a month. It is very cheap. I will show you guys how I am trading my $650,000 crypto account. We're obviously up over $200,000 in that. But once you guys click on Future Forecast on the website, click this right here, access our yearly and monthly Bitcoin price prediction algorithm. Once you click that, you guys are going to be able to view the predicted price for the entire year. You're going to you'll be able to see our prediction of the entire year with a plus or minus 8% deviation as well. Hey, buddy, thank you so much. I appreciate it. My son just brought me some water. Thanks, buddy. He's awesome. Plus or minus 8% deviation. And then we're going to be looking down here at what the Bitcoin chart and price is supposed to look like if you match up for the rest of the year, the average of 11 years, as well as the cycles that we're in, like I said earlier, comparing to 2016 and 20. And then November charts are out, guys. These are just examples, just so you guys know, these are all just example charts. What you guys need to do is come over here, click on this link right here. It will download a PDF and give you the updated chart of where we're at for November. But guys, this is something I have never seen coded before. We feel very blessed to have, been able to produce this. And so far, we have been able to predict the 3 best times. I guess you could argue and say the 4th time was actually on October 26th. But really, the 3 best times to buy Bitcoin, hands down, without a doubt, were when we saw the buy signal on the Bitcoin predictive price analysis for 4% plus or minus deviation when the white line dropped below the green line. Okay, guys? So in the description, I'm going to give you guys all, there is a little, there's a gift. It's like a gift emoji. And we're going to give everyone 25% off their first month. Come check us out, guys. You will get 8 future forecasts for free where I share with you guys how I am trading my account, how I plan on trading this up to $2, $3, $4 million in this cycle. We are looking to sell some Bitcoin too to potentially get into some altcoins because altcoin season is coming. You'll see my portfolio and everything I do. But I think this is going to really give you guys an advantage. And I just haven't seen anything like this online yet. So November's charts are out. The projected end of November you can access right now. You guys can see that. All right. God bless you guys. Have a really good day. And I'll see you guys in the membership because tomorrow I'm coming out with a future forecast and I'll continue to coach you guys. I hope you guys like this. Enjoy and use the coupon code in the description for 25% off the first month. Bye, guys.